All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Computer Apps. This episode you all are all going to like because it is super easy. All we're doing is we're going to be taking a look at headers and footers. Inside Google Docs, what you're going to do in order to access the header and the footer is you simply go to Insert, Headers and Footers, right? It'll take you right there. Headers and footers are really useful for helping people identify what is contained inside a document. So for example, you can put your name in there, right? You can put your title of your paper in there. And you can put in things like the date, right? Today I'm recording these on 9/26. Now I can tell, I know where these things are at. Inside Google Docs, you can make use of the alignment buttons, right? So you can see those things line up there. You can also, interestingly enough, right, use our tab stops that we talked about in the previous lessons. Right, so by hitting the tab key now, notice I have my text lined up with where I want things. So this can be really useful if you take advantage of it for allowing you to line things up the way that you want them. Notice I can just kind of drag those tab stops around and I can work out where I'm going to be putting my different pieces of text. If I want to, I could even get rid of that. And now I have my left, center, and right um, things set up there. You also have the option of having a different first page. So let's say that you just wanted to have a title on the first page and you wanted a different header on the next. You can set it up that way. Basically, what this is normally used for with a different first page is to just blank out so you can have your cover page. Right, so usually you'd have a bunch of text down here in the middle that said, this is my report, and then on page 2 you would have page numbers. So this is the header, right? You go insert header and footer, you can actually access the footer as well. Again, same different first page option to blank it out. Um, same center alignment buttons, right? You can go page and you can actually insert page numbers. So you notice page numbers, you have a couple of options here, right? This starts with page 1 as the first page of the document. Page 1, first page of the document. These options here, you'll notice page 1 is the second page of the document because you don't count your header pages. You have also more options, right? You can take a look at numbering options. You can continue from previous sections. You can put it in the header, footer, etc. Right? For our purposes, let's go ahead and insert a page number. We're going to start with the first page, and there you go. Voila. Right? So you got page 1. If I insert a page break, notice same header, page 2. And that's all there is for today. Really quick and easy. So you've got your headers, you've got your footers, you can work on lining things up, and that should be everything you need to be successful. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the time over to you. You're going to want to go ahead and get started.